Want to turn your photos into cute stickers? Let's do it with Gemini AI in under a minute. Open Gemini AI and tap Create. Choose stickers from the menu. Upload your photo. Pick a clear subject and bright background for best results. Use the trim tool to crop tight around the subject. Quick tip, pinch to zoom for precision. Tap Remove Background. Gemini auto-masks the subject, then refine the edges if needed. Choose the scribble sticker style for playful outlines and vibrant colors. Preview your sticker, rotate and resize until it feels just right. Add multiple poses to make a sticker pack. Hit duplicate and edit each version. When you're happy, export as PNG or stickers pack for messaging apps. Quick export tip, include a transparent background for seamless messages. Add your new stickers to messages, open the app, tap stickers, then import. There you go, cute custom stickers in minutes. Try Gemini AI and stick with creativity.